going on, guys? What's up? Today's Saturday. Today I'm gonna be washing my Sentra and hopefully my Jeep when my girl comes, since I have all my cleaning products. But before I even start this video, it's gonna be like a little review of everything I got, just to see if it's really good. And second of all, I know you guys are gonna say why you don't have the double buckets or whatever, blah blah blah. And the reason for that is because I'm washing my Sentra and I don't really care too much about the paint on the Sentra. When my girl comes with the Jeep, I should be using the double bucket method. For this one, I'm just gonna use like a regular bucket and a regular rag with like the soap, because the paint on the Sentra is really fucked up and I don't really care for it. The Jeep, the paint is not all that good. Like, it's good. It needs to be like a little paint correction or whatever. But I'm gonna use a double bucket method and then the foam washer and the pressure washer and everything on the Jeep. Also on the Sentra, but I'm not gonna do the double bucket and use like the good rags on the Sentra because it's like all beat up. I'm gonna use the good rags for the Jeep and for my Civic. So right now I'm about to take everything out, and actually my painter keeps texting me through WhatsApp and keeps showing me him working on the car. But let's go outside and get this day started. Alright, so I already have it connected, the brand new hose, the nozzle. Pretty amazing. I already used it a little bit, but this car had like so much salt and stuff. You guys can't really see it, but like it literally takes everything off. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this thing is amazing. And this is much needed. So when I get my Honda back, when I get my Civic back, so let me see if you guys can see how much this thing takes off. Just look at right there. And that stain has been there for about like 3 months. I haven't washed the car in like 3 months because of the snow. I'm gonna show you guys how much this thing takes off. And that's been on it. That salt's been on there for like 3 months. All right, so now comes the fun part. I've never done this, but it's like, yeah, it smells good. But it said put like about 1 ounce. You put a little bit more, so it'll get real foamy. Oh. Yeah. It's pretty good. Alright, so now you gotta just fill up the bucket. Put some soap in here. That should be good right there. grit guard inside. All the way to the bottom. And just let it collect all the dirt. Rub your mint on it after you finish washing it. Now while the paint is wet, hit it with some wax, some wax. So the car is all clean. She looks good. That soap with the wax looks good. I didn't put the detail spray on it because, like I said, it's my daily, my work car. And yes, I know you guys are gonna say I didn't use a double bucket method. Yes, I know. I didn't really go like, I didn't do really nothing crazy with this because obviously it's my daily. It's not like the paint is already messed up. My Civic, everything's gonna be double bucket, wash, everything the right way, the way it's supposed to be, and the Jeep also. But my friend just came through right now. We're gonna wash this CRV. He's the one that had the big wheels. He changed them now, but we're gonna wash this car real quick. Look at, I don't know if you guys can see, but look at all the dirty water from the bottom that was underneath this. This thing really works.
Hold up, you about to see right now.
Look at all the dirty water. That's how it really supposed to be. I don't know if you guys can see all the clean water up here. The grit guard stays like in the middle of it, and all the dirty water stays in the bottom. But we're gonna wash his car because he got a paint correction and everything on his car, so we're gonna wash it the right way. Alright guys, so I just finished washing my friend's car also. 4 people passed by and told me I should start my own like car wash detailing thing in my house. I'm probably gonna do it because I don't know, I did a pretty good job. I know you guys are gonna say I didn't do a good job on the Sentra, but like I told you guys, it was like a whatever wash. But my friend's car, I used like the double bucket and the wax and the detail, did everything on it, and it came out phenomenal. So might do something like that in the summertime, make a little side money, you know. But right now I'm gonna head to the paint shop, look at the car, tease you guys. You guys are not gonna be able to see it though, but I should be having the car maybe by Monday or Tuesday. So let's see. So I just got back from the paint shop. I know this is like a short video. I'm waiting for my girlfriend to come right now. She's on her way right now. I'm watching Jeep. Just wanted to do like a chill vlog for you guys, just to give you guys something to hold off. But all I have to say is that I went to go see the car, and oh my god, this car is freaking insane. When you guys see this paint, you guys are not gonna believe it. The color is insane. Like, you have never seen any other car with this paint job, and I could guarantee you that because I made sure I got a unique color. And it's for a fact that you have never seen a Civic with this color exact. The color of the car and like just the glitter is just it's insane. The car just looks insane. Like, you guys are gonna love it. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna love it because I didn't want to leave the shop. I literally wanted to just say washing the car. I don't even know what I'm gonna do washing the car because I'm gonna be so scared to just mess up this paint. But like I told you guys, I've been getting into detailing for about like 2 to 3 months now before, you know, getting the car painted. And I know somewhat of how to wash a car the right way, and you know, trapping the dirt. And so hopefully I'm gonna try to do my best to keep it as good as possible. I can't really do no paint sealings on a car right now because you have to let the paint cure for about like a month or so until you can actually do something to the paint. So I'm just gonna be foaming it and rinsing it off as much as possible. My boy Steven just came through, right-hand drive. About to do a little engine bay wash. Got the fresh, look at this. Fresh. Big money. Big money. It's a baller right here. Imported right-hand drive. It's a baller. Why are you just gonna leave me hanging?
Oh,
Now I'm about to wash the Jeep. Look how dirty this Jeep is. Super dirty. It's literally like 30 degrees. My hand is completely wet. We're really out here washing my Jeep. It's just the feeling of getting like, I don't know, a new product. It's just being so excited. Also, shout out to Frank. I was over here washing the car. The mailman popped up. He brought me a Downstar package, sending me out random care package. And Steven out here washing it for me. What's going on, guys? Just got back in right now. Like I told you guys before, I was washing the car and the mailman came and said I had a package. I didn't know what the hell I had. But shout out to fucking Downstar. Frank from Downstar sent out a little care package, t-shirts, sticker, windshield banner. Sent out some more stickers. I have like a wristband over there. So I have these stickers also. I'm gonna put the windshield banner and one of these. And all of that, my car comes out of the paint shop. Also, shout out to Drip Customs. They sent me out some stickers for my YouTube, my Instagram, then my daughter's name, which is amazing. Thank you guys so much. I'm going to be putting all of that on my car when my car comes out. You guys are not ready for the paint color, guys. Literally, once this video comes out, you guys have to click it and just smash that like button as soon as it comes out. It's fucking insane, guys. Like, literally, you guys are not going to believe the color it is. It's... The color is just insane. Like, let me just tell you guys. You guys have no idea how the color looks or what it is. It's literally insane. But I know this video is a little bit short, a little bit different, a little bit weird. But I just wanted to put this video out for you guys. Just something to hold you guys off until this week, which should be the day I get the car. I should be having the car by Monday, Tuesday. He already finished the car. He's gonna let it dry overnight. He's gonna let it dry all night, all day tomorrow. They don't work tomorrow, so it's gonna just sit there and dry. Monday, they're going to come in. They're going to wet sand it, buff the hood, buff my trunk, put my seats in, put my interior, all the stuff they took out. Clean the car. My tires look disgusting from all the sanding and all the, like the little bit of vinyl they put. And it looks disgusting. So hopefully when they do the pressure washer, all of it comes off. If not, like I have the pressure washer here. I'll just clean them myself and then redo the tire letters. Next Saturday, the day before March Madness. So it should be a lot of good content coming to you guys. Hopefully you guys are excited for this paint because I know I am. Shout out to Frank. Also, go make sure you go over to his YouTube channel and follow him, guys. He's doing an amazing job with his daily uploads and showing, like, you know, like the little back scenery of Downstar, what goes on like behind Downstar, his new products and everything. Shout out to you, Frank. Thank you so much. And yeah, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe. If you're new, tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload, guys. And until next time, hope you guys are ready for this paint.
I am king of this new shit. 7 rings and a pool stick. 8 ball and a sway roll. Rock stars don't say no. This beat so flame though. I forgot.